So I'm going to run you through a problem that I ran into when I began animating. And I would have an assignment where I needed to do 15 seconds. So in this little animation, I did 360 frames, which at 24 FPS is 15 seconds long. And I would render out the image sequence and bring it into, here's our little image sequence. We've got all the EXRs here. I would bring that into After Effects. Like so, import file. It's already there, so it's going to be footage. Make sure open EXR sequence is selected, import. And then I would plop it down into here. It takes a second to get in. And when I bring it in, it is 12 seconds long, not 15. And I remember thinking, am I going crazy? Why is this 12 seconds long? Like I'm 3 seconds short? Don't understand. Well, it turns out you need to do one simple step. When you import it, we're going to just take this one out now. Actually, let's just, no, this is fine. I'm going to right click on the EXR sequence, interpret footage, main, and when I select that, I see that the After Effects is assuming the frame rate is 30 frames per second. We need it to be 24. So if I just correct that to 24, okay. And then I bring it in again. Now it's stuck at 12 just because that was what it was before. So I'm just gonna Control K and I'm going to, 24. I'm going to duration 15. Now I see that we can expand this out to 15 whole seconds. And look at that, it made it all the way to 15 because that's how many seconds it really is at 24. So we are good to go. Just make sure you change that to 24 frames per second because that will drive you crazy. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.